How to make your account private on Instagram. Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to make your account private on Instagram. Now let's get started. First we need to open our Instagram app. Then we should go to our profile just by clicking on the profile icon at the bottom. Here we need to tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Now just tap on the settings at the top. Here we should find privacy and tap on it. Then at the top we see option private account and we need to switch it on. But here we have a problem. If you have the same, you need to go back, then tap on account and click on switch account type at the bottom. And here just tap on switch to personal account. And just confirm by tapping on switch to personal account. And just wait. Then we need to tap on privacy again. And again switch on option private account. And click on switch to private. And that's all. It was how to make your account private on Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.